Hello students of class 6 of RLPS, chapter 32, exercise 32A, question number 12. 12th question is, a school playground is rectangular in shape with length 120 meter and breadth 90 meter. Length is given 120 meter, breadth is 90 meter. Some school boys run along the boundary of the playground and make 15 complete rounds. Means if they complete one round from this is one complete round, means one perimeter. Two complete round means two perimeter. So they completed 15 rounds. It means 15 times they complete the perimeter in 45 minutes. How much distance did they cover during this period? Question 14. The length of a rectangle is twice of its breadth. Whatever the breadth is there, the length is just double of the breadth. Let breadth is 2, length will be 4. Breadth is 6, length will be 12. If its perimeter is 60 centimeter, find its length. Perimeter is given there 60 centimeter. We have to find out the length of this question. First of all, we will solve question number 12. That is length 120 meter, breadth 90 meter. So one round means one perimeter. 15 round means 15 perimeter. It means distance traveled 15 into the perimeter, then 15 into the rectangular shape. This is the rectangle. The playground shape is rectangular. The perimeter of rectangular is this plus this plus this plus this. In rectangular, these two sides are equal. And these two sides are equal. So 2 into length plus breadth is the formula of perimeter of the rectangle. So this is 2 into length plus breadth. 2 120 plus 90, 210 into 2 420 multiply by 15. 15 into 420 6300 meter. Or if you want to convert this value in kilometer, then you can write 6.300 kilometer, because 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. This is the answer of this question. Simply, if the playground is circular, if student starts from here, this is one complete round, two complete round, three complete round, four complete round, five complete round. It means this is the perimeter of the figure, and 15 rounds here they have taken. So 15 into the perimeter. It's solved by this process. Question number 12. Let breadth is B. Suppose that if breadth is 5 centimeter, so length will be 5 2 are 10, just double from the breadth. So we consider breadth is B, length is 2B. Perimeter is given already 60 centimeter. This is shape is rectangular. Again same to same. The perimeter equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter is given 60. Place 60 in place of perimeter, equal to 2 into length. Length is, we consider 2B and breadth is B. This will be 3B. 2 will be the division of 60. So this is 30 equal to 3B. 3 will be cancelled there. This is 10 centimeter. The length is 2 into 10 equal to 20 centimeter. This is the breadth, but length is just double of breadth. Double means multiply by 2. So 20 centimeter is the length of this question. Question number 15. Find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle of side 9.8 centimeter, isosceles triangle with the side each equal side 13 centimeter, and third one is 10 centimeter. Regular pentagon. Regular means all sides are equal. Pentagon means 5-sided plain closed figure. All the sides will be regular. Regular means equal. Of 8.2 centimeter. Regular hexagon. Hexagon means a plain closed figure enclosed by 6 line segments. Regular means equal. Of side 6.5 centimeter. So this 15th question. Side is 9.8. First of all, this is equilateral. Equilateral means the triangle whose all three sides are equal. This all three sides are equal. So its perimeter will be 3 into side, because all sides are equal. Side is given 9.8 centimeter. Simply multiply by 3. 3 into side means 3 into 9.8, 29.4 will be the answer of this part. Part 2, that is isosceles triangle. Isosceles means a triangle in which two sides are equal. Isosceles. And third one is not equal. So these two equal sides are given 13 centimeter. In this one, another side is given 10 centimeter. So we take this A, this B, and this C. A is 13 centimeter, B is 13 centimeter, and C is 10 centimeter. And you already know perimeter means sum of all the sides. So simply perimeter equal to A plus B plus C. 13 plus 13 plus 10, 36 centimeter. Now part third, side is given 8.2 centimeter, but this is pentagon. This is the pentagon. 5-sided plainclothes figure. This is pentagon, but in this pentagon, this is regular. Regular means all sides are equal. So one side is given 8.2 centimeter. And perimeter will be there, this plus this plus this plus this plus this means 8.2 will be added 5 times. So in place of addition 5 times 8.2, simply multiply 8.2 by 5. So this will be the formula of perimeter, that 5 into side, because this is regular. Perimeter 5 into side, then 5 into 8.2, this will be 41.0 means 41 centimeter. Part 6, side is 6.5 centimeter. This is hexagon. Hexa means 6-sided. And this is regular. All sides are equal. All these 6 sides are equal of this figure. This is hexagon. One side is 6.5 centimeter. And perimeter will be this plus this plus this. And all these sides are equal. So 6.5 will be added 6 times. In place of addition 6 times, simply multiply 6. So this will be 6 into side, then perimeter will be 6 into 6.5. This will be 39.0 means 39 centimeter. This is the question number 15. Now question number 17. A rectangle with a length 18 centimeter and breadth 12 centimeter. Rectangle length is 18 centimeter and breadth is 12 centimeter. Has same perimeter as that of a regular pentagon. Means whatever the perimeter of this rectangle, that is equal to the perimeter of regular pentagon. Find the side of the pentagon. Pentagon is regular. Regular means all sides are equal of the pentagon. So simply we will find the perimeter of this rectangle. This perimeter will be equal to the perimeter of this pentagon, means 5 into side of the pentagon, because this is a regular pentagon and regular means all sides are equal. So it's all 5 sides are equal. Question number 20. A wire is bent in the form of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means a triangle with all sides are equal. Of each side 20 and each side is 20. So its perimeter will be 20 plus 20 plus 20, or 3 into side means 60 centimeter. If the same wire is bent in the form of square, find out the side of the square. Means 60 centimeter is the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. Perimeter means length of the wire. Let's discuss. Now question number 17. Length of the rectangle 18 centimeter, breadth of the rectangle 12 centimeter. So whatever the perimeter of the rectangle, that is the perimeter of pentagon. First of all, we will find out the perimeter, means P1 we consider. We can directly solve. So P1 equal to 2 into L plus B, that is 18 plus 12 means 32 ya 60. This is the perimeter of rectangle, but this perimeter is equal to the perimeter of regular pentagon. Means P2 is 5 into side, and P2 we have find it out already, that is 60 centimeter into equal to 5 into side, then side will be 60 upon 12. 5 will be changed to side. This will be in the division, then side equal to 12 5 is 60, 12 centimeter. This is very simple question. Simply first of all find out the perimeter of the rectangle. That perimeter of rectangle will be the perimeter of pentagon, 5 into side. This is the formula of perimeter of pentagon. Question number 20, side of the equilateral triangle is given 20. So simply perimeter 3 into side, because equilateral triangle means the triangle with all three sides are equal. This is the equilateral triangle. So 3 into side means 3 into 20 will be 60 centimeter. Then the perimeter of a square is 60. Whatever the perimeter of this equilateral triangle, that is the perimeter of the square. So square is 4 into side. All sides are equal. In the equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal, so 3 into side. In a square, all four sides are equal, so 4 into side. Then 60 equal to 4 into side. 4 will be in the division, then side equal to 15 centimeter. This is the answer of question number 20. Remaining question of this exercise you will solve by yourself. If you have any type of doubt in the question, write me on the WhatsApp group. Your doubt will be cleared soon. Thank you students. Complete the work today.